Good morning. It is the 12th of September. The crop report just came out. I'm going to read from the USDA's release on cotton. 2016-17 U.S. cotton estimate includes a larger production and ending stocks relative to last month. Production has raised 263,000 bales as increases for the Southwest and California are partially offset by reductions for the Southeast. Beginning stocks are revised 100,000 bales lower on indicated stocks as of July 31st, while domestic mill use is reduced slightly in both 2015-16 and 2016-17 on recent activity. The export forecast is unchanged. Ending stocks are now projected at 4.9 million bales, or 33% of total use. The forecast range for the marketing year average farm price is unchanged at 57 to 69. With larger 2016-17 world cotton production mostly offset by lower beginning stocks, world ending stocks are raised only marginally this month. Beginning stocks are reduced for Brazil and the United States, China, and others due to revisions in the 2015-16 estimates. Production is raised for several countries, including Australia, the United States, Pakistan, Turkey, but lowered in India and Zimbabwe and Tanzania. Global consumption is virtually unchanged and trade is revised down marginally. World ending stocks are projected at 89.8. Let's look at the reaction. Cotton was down 39 just before this report came out, and right now cotton is down 167 points. And it actually dropped 80 more than this. At one point, after this report came out, we were down 250. We got as low as 66.61. So a very negative reaction to this report, which clearly showed a larger production than anyone thought, and that shocked people right away. Looking over at grains, U.S. production numbers in corn, 15.093. The average guess was 14.974. And that's for corn. Soybeans, U.S. production, it came in at 4.201. The average guess was 4.100. So both of these numbers are higher than they thought on production. Ending stocks for corn, 174.4. The average guess was 172.9, so stocks were higher. Soybeans, the ending stocks, hold on, that was yield. My apologies for that. Ending stocks in corn, 2.384. They thought it would be 2.322. So, in fact, that was higher. Soybeans, 365. They thought it would be an average guess of 338. So, ending stocks were raised for both corn and beans. The yields were higher than they thought. Corn yield came out at an estimate of 174.4. They thought on an average it would be 172.9. And soybeans, the yield came out at 50.6. They expected it to be higher. The average guess was 49.4. So higher yields, larger production, and it works itself into larger ending stocks. What's the reaction? Soybeans were up 7.5 when this report came out. Right now, soybeans are down 16.75, and they are very close to the low of the day. So a negative. We were up 7.5 to 8. Now we're down 17, making a new low as we speak. Corn was down 1 just before the report. Now corn is down 3.5. It's been 2.5 cents lower than this since the report. So immediate reaction there was negative, probably more negative in soybeans than corn. Wheat's up 1. Wheat was up 3.5. So that's really it. Negative numbers across the board in cotton, soybeans, and corn. And we'll see what they do. But these markets now seasonally are starting to point down anyway for the coming weeks. With this report, it does not look good for any of these markets. So that's it. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.